Hello everybody, my name is Drake Kinnunen. I am a premium sales consultant here at Volvo Cars in Brunswick, and today I want to take a couple minutes of your time to talk about a very important feature in the Volvo lineup, and that's called the collision avoidance system. Now what this system does is it uses a series of cameras on the vehicle to read and react to everything that's happening around the car to warn the driver of a potential collision. Now the way that it works is it uses a series of cameras built in to the windshield as well as a radar system in the vehicle itself. And it can read everything that's happening in about a 300-meter radius around the vehicle. And it can detect large animals, cars, pedestrians, and cyclists as well. And if one of these objects comes out in front or maybe heavily brakes in front of the vehicle, it will warn the driver. And if the driver doesn't input anything, it doesn't brake or doesn't turn out of the way, the vehicle will actually help assist the braking and even help steer the driver out of the way. Now this is very important because this is looking after the livelihoods of the people inside the vehicle. Now remember, this feature itself isn't there to replace you as a driver, it's there to supplement you. It's there to help you, to help get the instinct to brake the vehicle and steer it out of the way to save your life while you're on the road. Now, if you want to learn more about these excellent features on the Volvo lineup, come on down to Volvo Cars in Brunswick on St. Mary's Street in Fredericton. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much.